Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today you're gonna learn my beauty secrets, so please subscribe and stay tuned to begin this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with this fresh hair out the shower. I'm gonna blow dry it with this Remington blow dryer brush. But before I start, I'm gonna use a heat protectant for my hair. This one smells really good, you guys. So I put it all over and then I just start blow drying my hair. And this is so cool because it's a brush slash blow dryer. I'm sure it does fry my hair, but until I get the Dyson, I'm gonna keep using this. So I know you guys are wondering, does this hot brush really work? And yes, it does. I do each side in 10 minutes, but I'm sure it fries my hair. Now it's time to move on to the makeup part. So the first thing I do is I clip my hair back so it won't get in the way. Moving on, I'm using this oil, this moisturizer, and this cream that is a lotion, but I use it as face cream. I know it seems weird using like oil and stuff, but it makes the makeup application so much easier. It like glides on your skin. Definitely try it out. One of my hacks. This body butter from Tree Hut smells delicious. Like it smells like summertime. You guys should try it. Now I'm moving along with lips, so I moisturize. Oh my god, did I just do that? I'm so sorry, you guys. So yeah, I'm using my Blistex to moisturize. Now I'm using this LA Pro concealer, and I'm using a really dark brown to contour my areas that need to be contoured. And I love these sticks, these foundation sticks. They're so good, they're so affordable, and like I said, with the combination of the moisturizer, the oil, and the lotion, they just glide like butter when you blend them in. It's so easy, so fast, perfect for the girl on the go. Okay guys, so here I'm using my finger, my ring fingers, to blend out the highlight. And as you can see, I kind of went overboard on the contour, the LA color. So I'm using and blending the highlight concealer color with the contour color so it could cancel out and make another different color. This is a hack that I use a lot. Like mix your foundations with your concealers, different shades to make your perfect shade. This is what I do. I do this hack if I run out of my foundation or my concealer. If I run out of the shade, I just make it. Just wing it. Like makeup is so fun and so easy, and like just use what you have, you guys. You don't have to like run out and get foundation if you have other shades that you can make it with concealer or other things. But yeah, that's a cheap hack 101. So here you guys can see that I'm blending everything and it's so seamless. Like it blends like a dream. Like I'm so in awe. And after we blend everything, I use this loose powder all over my face to set everything in place, and it mattifies everything because I know we just used oils and moisturizers and whatnot. So yeah, definitely use some powder to mattify everything. Now to contour my face, I'm using this Fit Me powder, and I love this shade. It blends like a dream, and it gives your face dimension. It gives you that Kim Kardashian contour, that bronzy look that I'm looking for. I also use it to hide my 5 o'clock shadow, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's like one of the best drugstore contour powders out there. I use quite a lot. Now, when it comes to eyebrows, I use quite a different array of products. But the first one I tend to use is a gel to get all my eyebrow hairs to stick together and just add some pigment to my eyebrows. And it works as a primer, so I can use a powder over them, or if I choose to use just mascara. This is what I do to do my eyebrows. So yeah, you guys, this one is from Milani and I really like it. Now I'm taking this Revlon liner and it comes with two sides. It comes with like a pencil and then it comes with a liquid liner. And you guys, this is the perfect pencil for your eyebrows. I know these pencils are not really pigmented for the eyes, which is a bummer, but it's perfect for the eyebrows for us girls that have the dark brown hair. It's perfect for your eyebrows because it's not as pigmented, it's not as harsh, and you can use it for eyebrows. So I love it. It's like a dual combo. I can do my eyebrows, and then after that, I do my winged liner. It's definitely combo that I recommend, and a product. It's definitely a product that you should get if you're on a budget, because you can do your eyebrows and you can do your liner at the same time for the same price. I believe it was less than $10. If you guys would like a video on how I apply my liner, please comment below. I do have old videos, but my routine has definitely changed. This liquid liner makes it so easy. Okay, you guys, so I'm fighting with the lighting. At least y'all can see what I'm doing. So yeah, we're gonna keep going, and I'm sorry for the lighting, but yeah, I did my wing liner, eyebrows did, face looks really flawless. It looks like a filter. I'm not even wearing a filter. You can see my acne scars. This is all the makeup. If you add a little oil and moisturize, oh my god, it blends so easy. Anyways, so I found my powder. This powder is from Smoke and Mirrors in the ivory. But yeah, we're gonna continue. I like to put it under my eyes. This is highlight, not highlighter, just highlight. I like to highlight here so the contour can pop. Okay. And if you went overboard with your contour, you can just use this as well. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do lips then mascara, because mascara is or maybe I should do mascara first? Yeah, fuck it. Okay, so I like to use the Great Lash by Maybelline again. Or, I don't know if I even used it yet. But yeah, I like this wand because it's curled. Okay, guys, so technically I already did my eyebrows, but I'm just gonna go on top of it with mascara. I know it sounds crazy, but I want them a little bit more dark, and mascara does the trick. It keeps them in place and they don't smudge. You would be surprised. Another one of my hacks. Now I'm gonna line my lips, and my favorite all time is this liner from NYX that I believe is the Cocoa, or yeah, I think it's Cocoa. I'll put it up in the description for you guys. Now to top it all off, I'm using this lip gloss one of my all-time favorites because it is not sticky whatsoever. Again, I'll put this in the description box. On top of that, I use this shimmery one from Victoria's Secret. Just a little bit though, because we want the perfect combo. Now, I'm using this blush by NYX. I love it because it's a cream blush and you can just blend it in and soften it or add more if you want those really, really pink cheeks. But I don't. I like blush, but in small quantities, so. Okay, you guys, now the look is complete. I'm gonna let my hair down, brush it through with my fingers because we curled it and blow dried it earlier. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this easy makeup tutorial you could take anywhere. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.